have studied the law of indices. Now, today we are going to learn finding the square root of a perfect square. Finding the square root of a perfect square. When a number is multiple by when a number is multiplied by itself the product obtained is the square of the number. It means when a number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained is the square of the number. For example, 6 is multiple by itself, means 6 into 6 is equal to, you have to write down this number is in the form of multiplication form. You have to write down this number in indices form. It means 6 raised to 2. 6 raised to 2, and the square of 6 is 36, means 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Therefore, when the number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained, this product 36 is the product obtained here. This product obtained is the square of the number, that is the square of 6 is 36. Square of 6 is 36. Next example, second example, suppose 8 is multiplied by itself, means 8 into 8. This is the multiplication form. You have to write down in indices form. It means 8 raised to 2 is equal to 8 raised to 2. It is the square of this number. Therefore, 8 into 8 is 64. 8 8s are 64. That is the square of 8 is 64. The square of 8 is 64. Then the next point is finding the square root of a given number. Finding the square root of a given number. Finding the square root of a given number. For example, 4 into 4 is equal to 4 into 4 means 4 raised to 2 here. This is the multiplication form, this is the indices form. Therefore, 4 into 4 is equal to 4 raised to 2 is equal to, having value is 4 4s are 16. Here the square of 4 is 16. Here the square of 4 is 16, or we can say that the square root of 16 16 is 4. The symbol, this symbol, the symbol is used for square root. This symbol is used for square root. That is the square root of 16 here. Square root of 16 means the square root of 16. How to read? The square root of 16. Square root of 16. Therefore, the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Therefore, square root of 16 is equal to 4. The next example, second example, suppose 8 into 8 in multiplication form. You have to write down this number in indices form. It means 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to 2 having value is 64. Means 8 8s are 64. Therefore, square root of 64. This symbol is used for square root. Therefore, square root of 64. How to read? Square root of 64 is equal to 8. Square root of 64 is equal to 8. New point. Finding the square root. Finding the square root by the factors method. For example, find the square root of 144 numbers. Find the square root of 144 numbers. When finding the square root of 44 numbers, first find out the prime factors of the given numbers. Find out the prime factors of the given number. Therefore, prime factor you have to find out by vertical methods. This one is the vertical methods, 144. If the number in unit position having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is a test of divisibility by 2. Therefore, here 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4. Again, here unit position is 2 number. Therefore, it is test of divisibility by 2. Therefore, 2 threes are 6. Remaining is 1. Here next number is 2, 12. 2 6 are 12. Then again here unit position is 6 number. Therefore, 36 is also test of divisibility by 2. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Again here unit position having 8 number. Therefore, it is also test of divisibility by 2. Therefore, 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Prime factors of 144. Factors of 144 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is the prime factor of 144. Then next step is form pair of equal factors from the prime factors obtained. Next step, form pairs of equal factors. Pairs of equal factors from the prime factors obtained. Therefore, equal factors are these one, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Form a pairs. Here pair 2 into 2, first pair, second pair is 2 into 2, and third pair is 3 into 3. Form a pair of equal factors. Equal factors means 2 into 2 is the equal factors. Again 2 into 2 is the equal factors, and 3 into 3 is also again equal factors. Means form pair of equal factors from the prime factors of 10. These are the prime factors of 10. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. All these numbers are prime factors number. Then the next step is take one factor from each pair and multiply. Take one factor, therefore square root of 144 is, take one factor from each pair. In first pair take one factor 2, second pair take one factor 2, and third pair take one factor is 3. Means take one factor from each pair and multiply. Therefore square root of 144 is equal to 2 into 2 4, and 4 into 3 is 12. Means 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Therefore the square root of 144 is equal to 12. The next example is practice set. Practice set 30. First example, find the square root. Find the square root. Find the square root. First example is 625. 625. When finding the square root by factor method, first step is find the prime factor of the given numbers. Find the prime factors. Therefore, the 625 having prime factor. In this number, having unit position is 5. Therefore, it is a test of divisibility by 5. Therefore, 5 here, 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 having 6 minus 5 is 1. Take next number is 12. Then 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 2. Next number is 5, and 5 5s are 25. Therefore 125. Again here unit position having 5 numbers. Therefore it is a test of divisibility by 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 2. Next number is 5. 25 numbers, and 5 5s are 25. Again here unit position having 5 numbers. Therefore it is a test of divisibility by 25. Therefore 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Therefore the prime factor of 625 is, prime factor of 625 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore the prime factor of 625 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then the next step is form pair of equal factors. Pair of equal factors. Here pair of equal factor means 5 into 5 in the one pair, and second pair is 5 into 5. Means second step is form a pair of equal factors from the prime factors of 10. Here prime factors are obtained. The next step is take one factor. Take square root of 25 is equal to, take one factor from each pair. Here one factor take 5. Next pair take one factor 5. Means take one factor from each pair and multiply. Therefore square root of 625 is equal to 25. Square root of 625 is equal to 25. Second example, find the square root of 1225. 1225. When finding the square root by the factor method, first step is find the prime factor of the given numbers. Therefore, prime factor of 1225 is in unit position having 5 numbers, then it is a test of divisibility by 5. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. Here remaining is 2. Next number is 2, 22. 5 4s are 20. Then remainder is 2. Next number is 5, 25, and 5 5s are 25. Here again 5 in unit position, therefore it is a test of divisibility by 5. Therefore 5 4s are 20. Here remaining is 4. Next number is 5. Therefore 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Then 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Therefore, the prime factor of 1225 are 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. These are the prime factors. Prime factors of 10 of 1225 numbers. Then next step is from the pair of equal factors. Make the pair of equal factor from the prime factors of 10. From the prime factors of 10, then next step is the square root of 1225 is equal to, and multiply. Take one factor from each pair and multiply. Therefore, the square root of 1225 is equal to 35. Means therefore square root of 1225 is equal to 35.